Hello everyone, most welcome back to all of you who are watching my video. So today we bought this banana from our garden. So we thought what should we do with this banana, make some sabji or something else. So finally we decided let us make banana chips today. So now let's see how banana chips are made. First of all the raw banana cover has to be taken out properly, and see how I have removed it out. You guys also have removed it in this way, and not a single peel should be left out. It should be done well, like I just took it all out. After that, I took water in a big bowl and put the banana which was I have taken out the cover. So guys, now I have removed all the cover. I have finished it now. Only a couple of pieces are left. So let's finish this first now. And right now the condition of my hand, my finger has become very wet. So you guys, first of all you have to apply some oil on your hand, and after that you have to cut it into a small pieces like the one I have just cut. And whatever banana is kept in water should not come out. Let it remain inside the water, and don't cut it too thick or thin enough to see your size. If you cut it too thin, it will break when you fry it in oil. So now you guys can also see that my cutting size of banana, it is neither too thick nor too thin, so it's a great perfect size. And by cutting such small pieces, mine is now completely done. So you guys also see how good it looks. It is really fun that I am going to make very tasty banana chips today. Then after that I have taken some salt and added some water for it, and the salt has to be taken as per your requirement according to the quantity of the chips you are making. You have to add salt according to your taste. So after mixing this salt well in water, and I have applied all the bananas that I have cut and keep on it, and I am going to mix it very well now. सो अभी मैंने बहुत अच्छे से मैं मिक्स कर रही हूँ, और मुझे अच्छी तरीके से मिक्स करना है, नहीं तो फिर कुछ एरिया में ज़्यादा नमक रह जाएगा, कुछ में कम रहेगा, इसलिए आप बहुत अच्छे से इनको मिक्स करना है. देन फिर उसके बाद I will keep it outside in the sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes because of the salt water that I have added to it. It make it a little bit to absorb it. So मैंने अभी कढ़ाई का लोहे का कढ़ाई लिया है, आयरन वाला, ताकि इसमें मैंने रिफाइंड ऑयल डाल दिया हूँ. क्योंकि लोहे का कढ़ाई मैंने इसलिए लिया है कि इसमें ज़्यादा जल्दी से जल्दी इनको ये जलेगा नहीं. ये बहुत अच्छे से अभी मैं फ्राई कर रही हूँ, देखिए आप लोग भी. ये देखिए ये मैं पक गई हूँ, इस तरह से दिखाई देगा. अब मेरे बेटे क्या कह रहे हैं, मैं चबा के खा जाऊँगी पूरा. ओके, तो ऐसे ही मैंने जितना भी मेरा बनाना है कटिंग किया वाला, मैंने पूरा अच्छे से एक बार नेक्स्ट बाय नेक्स्ट मैं ऐसे ही फ्राई करूँगी. अभी ये जो कलर है जो थोड़ा सा ब्राउन होने जा रहा है, अभी हो गया है। और थोड़ा सा ये पूरा अच्छे से पकने के बाद इनका कलर पूरा चेंज आएगा, तब इसको निकालना है। देखिए जैसे अभी मेरा ये कंप्लीट हो गया, अब मैं इसको निकाल दूँ। So my banana chips are completely made, and this is what it looks like this. And this banana was a little small, so it has become a little small. You guys will try to make the banana a little bigger size. So if you guys like my style of making banana chips, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So for today I end my video here. See you in the next video. I will try my best to come up with a new recipe in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.